Welcome back to Sakshi Berat Coding YouTube channel. Today we are exploring Python variables and data types. In the last video, we learned what Python is and how to install it. Today we will write our first real Python code and learn about variables, the backbone of every program. Python syntax basics. Python syntax is one of the easiest in programming. You don't need semicolons or curly braces like other languages. Python focuses on clean and readable code. Let's write a simple Python. Print hello Python. It will print hello Python. When you run this, Python displays the text on the screen. Indentation matters. Python uses spaces or tabs to define code blocks. We will see this more in loops and functions. Variables in Python. Now let's talk about variables. Think of variable as a container when where you store data like a box with label. Examples: name equal to Sakshi, age equal to 21, price equal to 99.50. It's boolean and float. Here, name stores text called a string. Age store a whole number called an integer. Price store a decimal value called a float. In Python, you don't need to declare the type. It figures it out automatically. Here is examples: x equal to 10, x equal to hello, print x, it will print hello. This is called dynamic typing. The same variable can store different types at different times. But be careful, this can also cause confusion in big programs. Variable naming rules must start with a letter or underscore, can contain letters, numbers, underscore. No spaces or special symbols like at the rate, dollar, percentage cannot start with a number. Multiple variables and printing like a, comma b, comma c equal to 5, comma 10, comma 15. Print a, b, c. It will assign separate values to separate variables. You can assign multiple values in one line, and with print you can display them together. Examples: fruit equal to mango, quantity equal to 5. Print in bracket I have, comma quantity, comma fruit. Notice how print automatically adds spaces between items. So today we learn Python syntax basics, what variables are and how to use them, rules for naming variables, printing multiple values. In the next video, we will learn about input and output in Python. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe it so you don't miss our upcoming lesson.